Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants. We're starting off with this gorgeous Viola, and it is called Penny Black or Black Delight. It is a beautiful, teeny tiny little Viola, and if we take a look at the roots, these are just absolutely perfect, healthy plants, and they're ready to go. So your Violas and pansies can be planted outside in Alberta now. They can take temperatures of -10, and it's not that they love it, but they will do just fine outside. So I think we're in the clear to plant Violas and pansies outdoors. So one of our top 5 plants, the first one today, is our black Viola. Next plant. We have got these beautiful vines. They are called Star of Bethlehem or Solanum, and they're also called a potato vine, but they're not like a traditional potato vine. So we like to use the other name Solanum for them, and they grow in like a long, thick rope, kind of like a woody shrub for a stem, and covered in these star-shaped flowers. So very beautiful. Grow this in sun or shade. Also on the Violas, pansies and Violas love a shadier spot, so give them a spot that doesn't get as much sunlight. Third plant for today's top 5, we have Verbena. So we have a lot of colors of Verbena, I think like 15 colors or so, and these ones were planted a little earlier, and so you can really see that beautiful color on them, and look at how they branch. These are perfect in mixed planters and in hanging baskets. We have lots of Verbena in our hanging baskets. We have a lot that are solid color, and then some that have what's called a white eye in the middle, and it just kind of makes them pop a bit more. So what I was thinking when I was gathering these 3 is look at how beautiful these colors are together. The black and the burgundy and the white, stunning. So Verbena can really go in shade all the way to full sun. We find that they bloom more for you through the whole summer if they're planted in part sun. So if they have a break from the hot afternoon sun, we find you get more color through the whole summer, but they can go in full sun as well. Okay, our next plant for today's top 5, number 4, we have this beautiful yellow petunia. This is a trailing petunia. It's going to wave out for you, and it is called the bee's knees. So the bee's knees is a really great yellow. It's a true yellow, and it has a really nice soft edge around it. So this is great for mixing, or you could have a solid pot of petunias by itself. Petunias love full sun. They can handle lower light levels, but they need 6 hours of direct light touching their leaves so they can photosynthesize enough to be happy. And or they can take full sun for the whole day. So east side, your south side, or the west side of your house, these will do fantastic. And if you're going to do some hanging baskets, you'd want to put 4 of these in a 12-inch pot. If you're planting a bigger pot, like a 15 or 16-inch, you're going to put in 5 of these. You can match the colors on petunias to get a really fun basket. So our 5th plant for today's top 5 is one of my favorite types of plants. I love geraniums. Hi, Scotch. Ooh, Scotch is here. He can join us for the top 5. So this is a chocolate geranium, and when a geranium is called chocolate, it's because the leaf has a darker brown color mixed in with the green, and this is a chocolate fire. So it has this beautiful fiery orange color and really full color. I just love how bright they are, and what's great about geraniums is they can go really hot and really dry. So we're talking, if you have a balcony or a deck that is south facing or west facing, it gets hot afternoon sun. I love window boxes, and window boxes aren't as deep as other planters. So geraniums do fantastic in window boxes because they can really handle drying out. And sometimes you just don't have a pot deep enough to keep really satisfied for other plants. But yeah, so many colors of geraniums, probably 25 different colors. So come take a look. We're open now every day, 10 to 7. Bye guys.